Good morning. It is Coronavirus Video Journal week 42. It is the morning of December 7th. Yes, 2021. And not much to report as usual. A few COVID cases have come in, all of which have been unvaccinated. As I promised previously, I would tell you about my booster. I did get my booster a little over a week ago. And I take it back, almost 2 weeks ago, and it was miserable, but it only lasted a day. I expected it because I had a very strong reaction to the second vaccine, so the booster I knew was going to be just as bad, if not worse. And so I got it on a Monday, and I felt fine on Monday, but when I woke up Tuesday, I felt like I had the flu. Really bad body aches, chills, mild fever, things like that. And then it went away after a day. The worst part for me was that every hair on my body hurt, and I've got a lot. So that was the worst part. Everything was like my whole skin and everything was super sensitive to touch. It sucked. But not to dissuade you, it is necessary. Go ahead and get it. Just plan ahead, knowing that you might feel kind of under the weather for a day after you get the booster. But from a work standpoint, I still haven't had a single patient with the flu so far this year. And this week I've only had 2 COVID patients, both of which were pretty sick and very old, but both of which were unvaccinated. So far we're still doing okay. We're worried about this Omicron strain, but we're still waiting to learn more about it before I can tell you whether or not to be worried. But beyond that, same old, same old. So keep wearing your masks, particularly indoors. Get vaccinated. Convince your family and friends to get their boosters or just get vaccinated in the first place. And let's try to stay strong this winter. Hopefully we don't have to shut down again. All right? We'll talk again next week.